And the broken down saga does continue.
I've hired some new help. Isn't it good to keep working and not stop, right? And then we'll have our lunch break later.
Thanks for the moral support, Mr. Darrel. First on ye old Willingdon exit. Wish us luck, I think.
You guys, I love you, but you know, the project has to move forward. You guys could have just caught the bus over. I mean, there are other means. So these kids I've got hired are, one's 10 years old and the other boy is 7. So I'm you know, they're kind of my step grandkids, and they were here and they just wanted to keep busy. I wasn't trying to give you any kind of moral support. I don't know. I think you guys could have went a little bit more above and beyond. You could have bussed here. I use the transit all the time. But listen, I love you two. You guys are amazing, both of you. So hopefully you'll get here Friday. Love you guys.